All right, everybody, let's go ahead and apply what we just learned about our linear pairs and our vertical angles in what we're going to with finding angle measures. All right, so when we're given a problem, we're going to start with what is the question, and it says find the measure of angle MEQ. All right, so this is what I'm going to find is I'm going to find MEQ. So the first thing I want to do is come down in my diagram and say, okay, where is MEQ? Well, here's M, E's in the middle, so it has to be the vertex, and then Q. So I'm going to highlight. So here's MEQ. All right, there's my angle I'm looking for. And to find the measure of it, I also need to know what do I already know? What angle measure might I already know? And what I see is I already see right here that MEN is 70 degrees. So what is the relationship between this MEN and the MEQ? Well, notice that NQ makes a straight line, so that means that these are linear pairs, all right? So since I've got that straight line there, these are linear pairs. So if this side is 70, remember that linear pairs always add to 180, so I would just subtract the 70 from the 180, and the 70 because that's what I know MEN is, and so that leaves me with 110, so the measure of angle MEQ equals 110 degrees. Now, the second problem then, I'm going to use the same concept here, but this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the measure of angle PEQ. All right, so same thing. Start with your diagram, just where is PEQ? So here's P to E to Q. So here's my PE and here's my E to Q, all right? And again, what is the thing that I already know? What's the part that I know? So I know I'm trying to find what's highlighted, and I know this right here is already 70 degrees. So what is the relationship of MEN, which is 70, to PEQ? Well, this time they don't form a straight line, but they're doing that kind of diagonal piece. So therefore, this one is a vertical angle, and vertical angles are always congruent. So PEQ would be 70 degrees. So start by identifying the angle that they're having you look for, figure out that relationship, and then use the rule for linear pairs. It's 180. For vertical angles, they are congruent.